What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So the other day I had some sort of heated argument with some friends of mine with regards to, they say, oh, this property guru all scammer one, agent also all scammer one. They just want to scam your money. I hear a lot of these kind of things among friends and also among people outside. Wow, the agent scam one, the property agent scam one, cannot believe. The guru scam one, cannot believe. I wonder if they actually got look out in Google for the word scam or scammer, meaning scam here means it's a fraud, okay? Scammer means somebody who committed fraud. So what is a fraud? You say your guru is a scammer, but do you get a house? Do you get a property that you buy from? Do you get a loan that you applied for? They did, right? You say your real estate agent is a scammer. Did you buy the property? You get the property, right? When you pay the money, you get the property, right? You pay the money to the developer, it's a legit developer, you get the property, right? We don't talk about those abandoned projects. That is different story. Abandoned and sick project is a different story. But at the start, what I'm trying to say is that you paid, you get. That is not a scam. Okay? A scam is when you go like the phone scamming, the job scam, where they ask you to pay, and then once you get in, and that's it. You pay, and then in the end you get nothing. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a scam. Your property guru and your agent are just overconfident. Okay, most of them come from the era where real estate is booming from 2010 to 2014. So from this era, right, it birthed too much of overconfident property gurus, overconfident real estate agents, and you can see for yourself how many gurus are actually still out there. Most of them dead already. They don't know, they no longer sell property, they no longer teach property, and most of them have pivoted. Okay, they pivot, then maybe in future they come back, I don't know. But they didn't last long, including the agents. When the music stops, a lot of the agents also quit because they cannot sell anymore. Those that really can sell during that time, and now they are still thriving. Okay, those that cannot sell, those that cannot run their seminars well, they did. They're just lucky, so they thought they took a chance. So you, as a buyer, you cannot call them a scammer. They never point a gun in your head to tell you that, okay, this one is good, you must buy. They tell you the same thing. This is my research, this is my experience, this is the track record, so you can buy, you make this kind of money. You are the one that decided it. So don't call people a scammer. Okay? Don't call people a scammer. At the end of the day, we as property investors, we as property buyers, we are supposed to be accountable for our decisions and actions. At the end of the day, it's still we are the one paying the loan. Loss, we bear. Gains also we bear. I've never seen any of my customers actually who make money or from the investments. I did the loan for them. None of them come back. Hey Kenny, you know you helped me the loan last time. I made so much money. I want to give you some ang pao for appreciation. I want to belanja you makan. Got lah. But ang pao all this tada also. Like how many? Huh? But when lost that time, wow, make noise. Oh, that guru asked me to buy. I shouldn't have bought, shouldn't have followed. That's not the way, ladies and gentlemen. You are the one that is accountable for your actions. Do not blame people, okay? You need to get the knowledge, need to make sure so that you make the right decision. Of course, the thing is, you will never be forever 100% right. That is one thing that you need to understand. But this is a topic for another day on what are the basics of real estate investing. I plan to do something like this, but that is another day. For now, I just want to say, don't simply call people a scammer, okay? I really don't like that. They are just sharing their experience, and they put their experience into a seminar and sell to you as a info coaching program. Real estate agents are also getting the information from the developers just to sell. You are the one that need to know how to filter it properly. Okay? You did not get scammed. You just encounter some overconfident dumbasses and you call them a scammer. So who's the waterfish right now?